Bulka
Or
na
seven.
trademark. Oh, copyright na.
Hindi mo.
Look at that.
It's King Kong. Di ba siguro?
So, andito na tayo mga bisdak sa Orange. 1 kilometer na lang papunta na tayo sa town center nila. We are already here. It's
Anay
just
Pizza Hut.
Yep, they have Pizza Hut. So ito yung town ng Orange. Yeah, we're here already. Look at that one. It's a small town. Yeah, this is a small town. It's like 3 drives away from Sydney.
Saan 3 drives?
3 drives. Pagod na mga bisa, 3 hours. 3 hours drive from Sydney. Oh, Hungry Jack. Oh, meron din sila Hungry Jack. And then what else they have here?
Woolworths.
Oh, meron din grocery. We have to go there. I want to sa city center. Then maybe we go there later. And Woolworths na.
Stay in the right 2
Okay.
lanes.
Palit ko kuan shampoo. Kaya maligo ko ugma.
Kaya maganda na nila ang drive.
In 450 meters,
Oh, theater.
the
Look at that.
destination is on your left.
Strand
Orange City
Theater.
Centre.
Yeah, theater nila.
Library, theater, gallery,
Strand
library. Hotel Orange. Lampad sila.
Nato dali dapat David no katong stayhan nato nato. Katong
Di ba na mao Hotel Orange? Di na mao. What? Hi, Gian. No, don't take it out, baby. Don't take it out.
Put it back to the
The police will get you. Nawa na lagi.
Ito na yung
Na
town
sila yung
center
mga-
nila mga kabisdak.
Loksing restaurant closed lang. Nakakita ko try pero closed man.
Close.
Balikon Steakhouse, Royal Hotel,
Paano ito pagkataon? Ilang kumbag ba? Pinakaraan.
Bang, cute.
Old style na.
Anay calls, Kmart. Na?
Ano yung
The
ano?
Coffee Club.
Wait, like, I'll look for a parking area.
The destination is on your left. Orange City Centre. Arrived.
Ano ito?
Ah,
Ito parking area.
ah,
Ano yung center na? Na may calls, di ba?
ah.
So, just sa calls.
Labot sila yung chemist, discount
go here.
chemist.
I'll go here.
Ay, nandito to dito. Kaya na ay World Chapel. Na Woolworths. Kanina ang Woolworths, ano?
Woolworths.
Park na.
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, we're here already. We're just gonna buy food, then we go to the...
Nara, Orange City Center. Na siya, na siya murag mall gamay. Kana, City Center.
We're gonna
Kato dito.
just gonna buy food
Kabudul,
and then...
Kendall. Oh, cute. Cute building. Lands office. Mga karaan pala man, no? Pero naka ni babe na City Center. Ano yan, City Center?
Ato ko park sa Woolworths.
Best unless na siya reject shop. Food hall. Kani, Orange City Center. Mara siya gamay mini mall ba? O kani, lands office.
Kaya gusto ng lunch office.
Kaya nga. Sa man eh. Andrew G. Ari Tag-Woolworths. Centerlink, babe. Anson House.
Yeah, was lang Red Cross. Gamay na.
Oh, Red Cross din na. Kaya nga.
Ganyan kare, City Center. Kare lang ko park ko.
Aha. Sige, ano na lang.
Ato na ko sa Woolworths. Para mag-iso din.
Orange City Center na. Ang pa-entrance dito. Best unless. Mura siya ka ng gagmay nga shop ba? Dili gyud tibok mall. Masyag kaya nung lukat mo sa bidok nga mini shops no. Cute to din din. Mar karaan kay siya style. Karaan nga lingaw. Ang nakaseparate. Chemist. Pwede naman nag-chemist. Woolworths na lang. We're here in Woolworths. Yeah. We're gonna buy something, some food. Food ba? Itong lutoon ba ito palitan? Or restaurant nung
Yeah. We cannot cook. So,
Mama, we're going to small house.
Yeah, we're just gonna buy something and then we go to the small house na.
Like little.
Yeah. Very, very small.